2009 Toyota Sienna XLE with 83,000 miles. In remarkable condition, perfect family van, loaded with leather, heated seats, dual power sliding doors, power rear liftgate, power seats. Everything works on the van. Parking sensors. Needs nothing. Not a door ding or a rock chip on this thing. Alloy wheels, tires are in decent condition. Fog lamps. Try our best to show you every possible blemish. Power seats, like I said, leather is immaculate. Original floor mats. 83,000 miles. Heated seats. All keys. Dual power sliding doors. (2009) Toyota Sienna XLE with 83,000 miles, in remarkable condition, perfect family van, especially for those on a budget.